In this video, I'll show you how to recover your deleted call history on an iPhone. And it's a very simple trick. It's a very simple tutorial. So if you appreciate me doing it, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So the first thing you want to do, and the first method, is obviously going on your computer. If you have FaceTime, you can see your messages there in your calls. But what you can do is, if you don't, you can go on your settings, tap on your name at the top, go on this option, iCloud, go here, click on manage storage, the first option, and when it loads up, it might need a few seconds. Click on the third option, backup. For me, it's the third one. And it says Nikolai's iPhone, this iPhone 5.2 gigs. And it says last backup 7:21 a.m. And now it's 8:56, so it's like an hour and a half ago. So if I just go on reset right here, if I go to general and reset my iPhone and then start it from a backup, I'll have my messages back. But the trick here is that you need to go and have messages backed up, just like this. And now they're backed up for safety. And when I click on manage storage, they'll be backed up. Otherwise, they won't. So if this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one.